Right, so with us is AJ Visser, runner-up in the singles here after National Bowls Week. So just tell us a little bit about your story. You're from Swakop Moon Club, if I'm correct. Just how you started in the sport and how you got up to this point.
Okay, good evening guys. My name is AJ Visser. I currently play at Swakop Moon Bowls Club. I started about 12 years ago. We played the Business Premier League in Walfish Bay. We won the competition. We got a year's free worth of membership, and then me and my friends, we just started playing, and then from there on we realized what a nice and interesting and tough sport it can be, mentally both and physically, and then from there on I just played it for the last 12 years.
Okay, so tell us about your singles, how it went for you this week at the National Bowls Week.
Okay, this year was the first year that I actually made it past the first round. It's a knockout competition, so yeah, I made it towards the finals. Unfortunately, I just couldn't pull it through, but I had a nice game. I tried to fight back, and yeah.
Okay, so losing against your club mate Axel there, so both of you from the same club. How does that feel?
Yeah, it's a privilege to play against Axel. I mean, it's always a tough challenge to play against him. He played very well. He had the lines, he had the weight, and unfortunately, just played much better than me.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.